Leadership is about having a compelling vision, a comprehensive plan, relentless implementation, and talented people working together. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. Let's invite our dear principal, Reverend Father Biju Skaria CM, to throw light on this occasion.
Very dear and Reverend Dr. Anil Thomas, the Provincial Superior, respected fathers, sisters, esteemed staff, and my dear beloved children. We are already in the spirit of Christmas, and let me wish you all a Merry Christmas and all the joy that Christmas offers in your life and in your families. Recently, I heard one of the motivational speakers explaining the meaning of happiness. He gives it in a mathematical formula. He said, happiness is equal to have someone to love, to have something to do, and to have something to hope for. To have someone to love, to have something to do, and to have something to hope for. I think that's exactly what Christmas would tell. To love, to have something to hope for, and also to work for peace, and that would definitely bring joy. Yesterday, I was going along with the judges of your house charts, and one of the girls, house leaders, was explaining about the work they were doing. She said, our chart work, our house board may not be so beautiful, but there is a lot of love, with a lot of unity, and with a lot of spirit we prepared, and that gives meaning to our house gods. I think, my dear friends, that's exactly the spirit of Christmas. If message of Christmas is love, joy, peace, and hope, spirit of Christmas is to stand together as one single community, and that's what we were all experiencing here. I really congratulate every one of you who have put up such a wonderful performance within a very short span of time. And of course, Christmas would mean to give and to receive gift. We'll all look for Santas to come and give gifts. My dear children, I just want to remind you, Santa is not going to come and give you gifts, because I believe the real, original Santa should be each one of you who are willing to part with something and give gift to somebody else who really deserves. Maybe to your family members, maybe your friends, maybe your neighbors, or maybe someone out there who has nothing in his life. My dear friends, let us make this Christmas a different one by not just receiving gift, but by being a Santa, giving gift to everyone. Have a wonderful Christmas. May God bless you all. Thank you.